Wake up to bills and bad network. Calls not coming through, heart a little wrecked. Breakup text still sitting in my phone. Stress knocking loud but I'm not alone. I've seen small, I've seen huge. I've seen doors close and still I choose. Yeah, yeah. Stand up tall, chest out. This is me, hear me now. I don't run from what life brings. I crown a moment and I sing. I'm the happiest man. Not because life is perfect, no. I'm the happiest man. I decided, so I let it go. Little or big, I take it as it comes. Train my mind, now peace is where I'm from. Breakups, pressure, silence too. Still I'm smiling because I choose to. I'm the happiest man, my happiest man. Nshacita, and nshatwalala na pressure. If it's not today, tomorrow is better. Bantu bazosa, communication is shuka. But my joy, it doesn't depend on you. A heart she be stress ya lila. I answer back with a deeper hallelujah. Listen to me, happiness is not luck. It's a decision you make when you wake up. It lives right here between doubt and faith. So I pick joy, I pick peace, I pick me. There's nothing bigger than being the happiest man. I'm the happiest man. Despite the fall, despite the rain, I'm the happiest man. Resilience running in my veins. Little or youth, accept what's on the table. Train my mind, they joy my label. So if you ask me why I'm grinning through the pain, it's because I chose to be the